All right, welcome back, guys. In this lecture, we're going to look at CSS padding. Okay. So first off, I'm just going to delete all of this and let's go back. Let's go back, and I'm going to uncomment this. So I'll say yeah, and then I'll save. So let me refresh the page and show you what we have. So we have this guy here, right? I think I should just make this maybe 2 pixels, and then I'll save and refresh. Okay, so we have it looking a little bit nicer. So basically, what is CSS padding? Padding is the space around an HTML element. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate it right now, and I'll say padding, and I'll specify the padding to be 10 px. Okay, and then I'll save. Now watch as I refresh the page. Boom. Now do you notice that there is some space on the left and around the elements? Okay, so that's what CSS padding is. It gives some kind of space around the element. Okay, so I'm going to increase this to 50 and then I'll save. Now watch what happens. Boom. So the space is actually within the element, so it doesn't go outside of these borders. Okay, so it's just within the div itself. Okay, so that's how you add padding. But say for example, you don't want to add padding all around, you just wanted to add some padding, on the top. So I'm going to comment this. I'm going to comment this out, and I'm going to say padding hyphen top. So padding hyphen top. Okay, so for the padding top, I would say let's go with 50 pixels, or no, let's go with 30 pixels. Ex. I'll save and watch what happens when I refresh. Boom. So the text returns back to the left side of the page, but then there is a space above it. So that's for padding top. Okay, same thing for padding bottom. Padding hyphen bottom, right? And then I can say 30 pixels, and then I'll save. Refresh the page, and as you can see, there's some space here. So we can do the same for padding left and padding right. Now remember, in our border section, in our border lecture, we talked about a shorthand. Okay, so the same shorthand applies to our padding. So I'm just going to comment this out. Okay, so the way I comment it out, I hit control and forward slash, and then it comments it. So I'm just going to just say padding. All right, now basically what I want, I'll save this and refresh the page. So as you can see, there's no padding. And basically what I want is, I want to have 5 pixels on the top, 10 on the right, 5 on the bottom, and 10 on the left. So to do that, I'll say 5 pixels, and this goes for the top. So it always starts from the top, okay, when you're using the 4 value notation. So 5 pixels on the top, 10 pixels on the right, another 5 pixels on the bottom, and 10 on the left. So I'll save and watch what happens as I refresh the page. Boom. So we have 5 on the top and bottom, and then 10 on the left and right. But remember, there is even a better way to make sure we don't write too much code. Okay, and that's basically just using, since we have 5 on the top and bottom and 10 on the left and right, I can simply just say 5 pixels and 10 pixels. This 5 will be for the top and bottom, while the 10 pixels will be for the left, the right, and the left. So I'm going to save, and when I refresh, there will not be any change. So I'm refreshing, and as you can see, there's no change. Okay, so if let me just do 10 pixels on the top and bottom and save. I'll come here, I refresh, and as you can see, the space or the padding, on the top and bottom increased. So basically, that's how you add some kind of space, within your elements. Okay, so now thank you so much for watching this lecture. Let's go to the next one.